YouTube, how's it going? John here at Herman Woodworks. Super pumped, couldn't be more ecstatic right now. We hit 1,000 subscribers. Big shout out to my buddy Mason for pushing me to do this. Big shout out to you, to everyone for watching these videos and helping, for all the encouragement, pushing me along. There's been big things going on over here. Let's get into what the big thing is over here, besides being 1,000 subscribers now. Let's look at yes, and by big I mean the biggest thing right here. Been wanting to get a tractor to start doing some of the work here at the house, and also for eventually the grand plan is to get a bigger sawmill, and I'm sick of rolling logs. Wanted to get a tractor. So after scouring Facebook Marketplace for a long time and checking out dealerships and stuff, I stumbled across this on Facebook Marketplace. This is a 2015 XU 5065. It's a 65 horsepower tractor, four-wheel drive, 2 remotes in the back, all the fun doodads. So some of the other features of it: it's a power shuttle. It's got 4 ratios, 4 gears, so making a grand total of 16 speeds, forward and reverse. It's got heat, AC, radio, all the little fun functions in that. The big thing is the power. I wanted to be able to lift big logs. This thing, breakout force on it's like a little over 4,000 pounds. Full height lift capacity is about 3,000. So when we start getting into some of the bigger logs, especially start getting upwards of 24, 30-inch pieces of oak and stuff, it gets heavy quick. So the cab was an important thing for me for snow blowing in the winter. The only thing I need to add is it needs a third function up front so I can run a grapple. First and foremost, definitely got to throw a big shout out to my friend Chet for helping me make this happen. Obviously I can't haul this with my truck. Between this, it having loaded tires, the loader, and the bush hog for it, it was about 10,000 odd pounds, and needed the old Dodge Cummins power to get that. So big thanks to Chet for going down with me when it was about 10 degrees when we went and got this thing. So yes indeed. I didn't want to do the hydrostatic just because you'll lose a lot of power on it. It's got 2 remotes out back. I want to get a hydraulic top link for it for any of the attachments. Oh, and also, oh, it's got a radio and AC and all that, but yeah, let's go look at the attachment I got with it. All right, this is the brush hog, or bush hog as everybody wants to say, that came with it. It's a Land Pride RCR 2584. I think it's discontinued when I started looking up stuff on it, but this is a 7-foot cutter. It's a class 2 hookup for the tractor. I don't know what this weighs. I haven't looked it up yet, but it weighs a lot, even on that 65 horse tractor. Yeah, sorry about the wind. Even on that 65 horse tractor, you feel this thing on there, but this thing was in great shape. I just got to pressure wash it, clean it up, but super pumped. So got some clearing we got to do over there. That's the new house. I'll show you the front of it another time, but got to clear over there. We want to get an area prep for crops. Still got to do some grading here in the front. Yeah, big things going on. But we're going to do a more detailed video on this as we get into some of the projects out here in the yard. Once again, YouTube, thank you so much for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. Can't thank you guys enough. If you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to ask them. Here in the front yard, we're going to be putting in some additional driveway work, doing some seeding, making this a house. So it's going to come in very, very handy. But it's my parents. But first and foremost, once again, this was just a quick video to introduce the nice LS tractor here, but also to give thanks here, you know, to everybody, like I said, that's liked, subscribed, and shared any of my stuff. You know, we're going to keep doing these videos, but super pumped. Thank you all, and I will talk to you again soon.